Today's quick tip is a simple one, but if you're new to crafting or you've just never seen it before, it will make a huge difference in being able to put ribbons and bows on your card projects simply and without glue all over your fingers. I learned a long time ago that I did not have to hold bows in place to let glue dry to attach them to my card projects. So if you have not seen this before, this is going to make a difference for you. Very simple. But how do I attach bows and ribbons to my card projects? With these amazing things right here. They are pre-dried glue sticky dots. And here's a tip that many people who already use glue dots don't realize. So when I first started using glue dots, I already gave away the surprise, right? But here I was pulling these off with my fingers. Now it's stuck to my hand. I'm trying to get it off my hand. I'm trying to get it stuck to the bow. I can't get this thing off of my fingers. Here's how simple it can be. You leave the glue dots attached to the paper strip that comes out of the box. You put your bow on the front, give it a little squeeze, pull it off. My glue dot is right there on the back. I can attach it where I want to my card project. It is nice and secure with no fuss at all and no glue on my fingers. I want to share as many tips as possible to help you enjoy crafting without the frustration. Make sure you're subscribed to see my future quick tips. Give it a like and a comment. Help other crafters find these videos. I appreciate you watching along, and I hope you'll be back next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.